I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty, and I am thrilled to show you this 3-bedroom home in the heart of Creston.
This updated home offers the perfect balance of comfort, privacy, and convenience. The main floor features a large functional kitchen with an island, stainless steel appliances, lots of counter and cabinet space, a spacious pantry with a deep freezer, and easy access to the back patio, perfect for entertaining and barbecuing. It also has a bright dining room, powder room, and 2 generously sized bedrooms, which are connected by a 4-piece Jack and Jill bathroom. The walkout basement includes a large welcoming rec room with a wet bar and mini fridge. The double doors take you right outside to this beautiful covered back deck, perfect for gatherings, relaxation, and hosting friends and family. It also offers a 3rd bedroom, a den, full 4-piece bathroom, laundry room, and tons of storage. The home was previously configured with a legal suite, offering flexibility for future use if needed rental income. Now step outside to your private, fully fenced backyard retreat, complete with a greenhouse, tool and storage sheds, raised garden beds, perennial fruit and berries, a fire pit, and a space for chickens. A rare find for those looking to live more sustainably and peacefully. And all of this within minutes to schools, parks, shopping, and so much more.
I hope you love this home as much as I do, and for any questions, feel free to reach out at 604-789-8202.